Oh, hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. Here, Bohol Tropics Resort of Tagbilaran City, guys. Very nice. You look very nice. The beauty of Bohol Tropics Resort. Oh, see, if you come Philippines, you can see here the beauty of Bohol Tropics Resort. And I'm here with my friend. Look, because we are attending a meeting here. It's very nice here, no? Guys, kung makaani mo tropics, mo relax jud inchong dughan, okay? Very nice view. You look the side there. Oh, look.
Asa man ni Padong? Alas 4 naman di. Padong naman.
So nice. Here also the swimming pool, guys. The resort. It's very nice. Very nice. If you visit here, you can see the beauty of Bohol Tropics Resort in Tagbilaran City, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye-bye.